Now come slightly more, I mean, they're not difficult to work with, they're still easy, but they will consume a bit of a time, but nothing out of your timelines. So you just have to make sure that you plot it such that max to max, not more than, so if there are 3 alphabets, don't go beyond 8 minutes, and 8 minutes is a lot of time. So try to, for now, keep it to 8 minutes, but later on you should start looking at coming down to about 6 minutes, 5 to 6 minutes. So this is how we go about it. Now if you imagine, let's say, a rectangle around the Z, as soon as you imagine that, you get to see where this beam is and where that beam is. So that's what I've drawn over here and over here. And then all you need to do is use the same thickness, plot it over here, and simply join them. And you will get to see the Z. Now the same thing, but this time the orientation has been turned, squished and elongated, and you start to see the N. And that's what will come over here. Same concept taken forward in an M, but an M can come in two ways. One option is this, and the other is that somebody, or not somebody, IGCSE may choose to say that, okay, you've gotten this midpoint and you've gotten, let's say, this midpoint, and we want the M to finish somewhere here, which means you take the same thickness, you match that thickness half on one side, half on the other side, and then all you need to do is join this to that. So we're going to the corner, and similarly over here also we will join it to the corner, which means if I take this thickness and I follow the same angle, or I follow from here to this point, then I will get to see the M look like this. So you have a choice. They may give you an M like this, they may give you an M like this. Make sure that you read the question, you see what has been given, and accordingly you make the M. Don't make the wrong M. This again is as easy. You take these two beams over here, find the midpoint, half above the midpoint, half below the midpoint, and you will get to see this as well. As for the D, what will happen is, again, we will be plotting, but this time, if let's say this is how the rectangle was, you will notice that this comes somewhere till the midpoint. So midpoint here, I'm taking this down. Similarly, I will take this distance, which is half, plot it over here, and this distance and plot it over here, and then I will construct the two arcs. Now that means that if I, let's say, take this arc, shorter distance, and I make an arc, that arc will finish somewhere here. And similarly, if I take the larger one, it will end somewhere over here. Same thing will happen at the bottom as well. And that means that it will come only till here, and the rest is going to be a straight edge. Absolutely fine. You don't have to worry about it. All you will do is you will join it together, and you will get your shorter arc over here. And that is how the D is going to look.